What's the difference between, let's say, 2 weeks ago and today? I'm talking about the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, and let me show it to you. It took me a while to understand that it's not the real thing, and then I had to study about it, and here I am again. Look at the facade. The doors are open. But let's talk about the doors. Can you recognize something different? Let me show you the other side of the door. Can you see something different? Looks whiter. Guys, this is a replica. This is not the real thing. The doors from the Crusader time were taken for renovation. Then this is only a picture that glue into something temporary. They're still opening and closing the door every day, but this is not the real thing. Amazing, isn't it? If you want to see something, I mean, look at that, look at that. This is the original lock of the door. It's such an amazing thing. No one will know it. It took me a while to understand it as well. What's new? Remember that they're renovating the floor of the church? They brought back some of the lamps of the three dominations at the church. And the last thing that I can show to you is that what the ladder is doing here. What the ladder is doing here. When they signed the status quo between the three dominations, the Catholic, the Armenian, and the Orthodox churches, the ladder of the Catholic was here. Then in that case, until Pentecost, that ladder will be here. No one is using it, but this is a symbol. This is mine. This is the Catholic ladder that no one will use, and it will be here for a long, long time. Fake doors. It's amazing. Guys, I do have more than 21,000 videos on my YouTube channel. Why it's difficult for me to speak now? Because I have a little bit, look at the other side of the door. I have an asthma attack. Then in that case, I'm not breathing at all. Let me show you the other side of it. This is for the sake of history. Same thing. It's like a show, it's like a theater now, but only for a few hours, a few weeks. Again, you can see the original lock, which, as I believe this is the original, but it's I saw it with a couple that I was guiding. I actually saw that they deal with it, and then I realized that it's not the real doors. Thank you very much for being with me in that beautiful day, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye.